Bullx trading fees explained. Hey guys, in this video, we will explain Bullx trading fees. Bullx trading fees are a small percentage charged per trade. The maker fee is a lower fee for adding liquidity by placing limit orders. The taker fee is a higher fee for removing liquidity with market orders. Withdrawal fees are charged based on the asset and network used. Deposit fees are usually free, but some networks may charge. Network fees, such as blockchain gas fees, apply to transactions. VIP discounts are available for high-volume traders or token holders, offering lower fees. Some accounts may incur fees if left unused. Visit Bullx's official website for updated rates. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.